Hey YouTube, what's going on? So I hadn't seen a lot of videos about this, and I am a noob, as you guys all know, so I wanted to do the 3M headlight restoration. This is my in-laws car, my wife's dad, and I hope this is coming up on camera, but it is in bad shape. It is super hazy, and I'm sure that affects night vision as far as how the actual lights work. But they're really bad. But I wanted to do this review now because I've already done one headlight, just so I can kind of tell somebody how it works and if it does a good job. The answer is yes. These look brand new. Took maybe a total of 5 minutes, and all you need, let me keep showing you guys, I mean, this is infinitely better. He's gonna be very happy with that. Anyhow, so this kit, I think it costs 20 bucks, and effectively there's just a couple pieces of kit. There's a gold cutting disc, there's a white finishing disc as far as one step down, and then from that there is this gray, they call it a gray disc, which is a bit of a foam pad, and you just moisten this. And then last but not least is the compound. So all you need is a drill, that's it. It comes with everything else. And this foam pad comes with a cutting compound solution, an abrasive, and you just finish this out until it is literally becomes see-through. So again, it starts with the gold, goes to the white, then goes to this gray foamy pad, and then finishes with this. It took about 5 minutes. I'm completely impressed with how this turned out. This car is 11 years old, and these headlights look brand new. Without having to buy a new headlight assembly, which is probably 300 bucks a piece. Again, I'm hoping that's coming in, guys. I think you can see it from there. Huge improvement. I hope that's helpful. Give me any questions you have. I can try to help. But if I can do it, so can you. Good luck. Later, man. Bye.